Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with Goan Style Chicken Kheema. So for that I have taken this 500 grams, that is half kg of chicken Kheema. Then we will be needing to grind the masala, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 2 green chili, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a ball of tamarind to grind, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 2 Goan small bedki chilies, this is Goan chilies, optional, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 of cardamom, 5 of cloves, 5 of peppercorns. Then we need 15 of garlic clove flakes, but I am going to take 2 pods, so you can take 2 pods also of this. Then this will be going for grinding along with the coriander. Then we will be needing some curry leaves for tadka, for sauteing. I will be adding this 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we need some around 4 boiled potatoes, 3 to 4 boiled potatoes. Then here is around 3/4 cup of green peas. These green peas, like you get in market also, they are frozen one green peas. And this is optional. I will be using this corns, sweet corns later. Then we need around 3 big onions and 3 big tomatoes. So this is all what we need. So first thing, we will grind this masala. So this is my ground masala paste. Okay. So now we'll add oil in this. So around big tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoon of oil. And we will fry, we'll add the curry leaves over here. First is curry leaves. And 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to this. If you have whole ginger, then you can add it to the grounded masala. So now we'll add our onion and tomatoes to this together. Okay, and fry this nicely. So I will close this little bit, the lid. At this stage we will add the dry masala, that is coriander powder and turmeric powder. Now we will add the salt also to this. Salt to taste. Now we'll add the grounded masala into this and fry the masala nicely. And we will add that same water, whatever is for the mixer, that same we will add. So let this fry nicely. Now the masala is nicely, here you can see, it's nicely fried. Now we will add our mince to this. So now mix this so that there are no lumps, or like we want like a mincey type, no? Now we will add water, cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. So I have taken the same water, like half cup. We'll mix it, cover it and cook it. Now if you want to add Kashmiri red chili powder to this, like if you want a little bit reddish color, then you can do that. So I'll be adding now a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder to this, because Kashmiri chili powder only give color and not the spiciness. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder to this. And if you want to leave it greenish, then don't add Kashmiri red chili powder. Now we will add to this boiled potato. Mix this all nicely. And this is chicken mince, so it will take fast to cook, not like beef. And now we will add our green peas to this. So here is and we will cover this. Now this, as I said, it's optional. Okay, now to give extra flavor, I am using, because whatever masalas I have added, it is not spicy because I have used less quantity. So now I am giving extra flavor to my Goan Kheema by homemade garam masala powder. So it's like 1 teaspoon of masala, garam masala powder, which I will share my link in the description box. Mix this all nicely and we'll leave this covered for around 10 minutes on low fire. So here my Goan style Kheema is ready to go with Goan Pav. Hope you will enjoy. It's nicely cooked and I have done it in handi, or in Goan language we say toli. So now if you want to add this corns, then you can add this. If you don't want to add, then this is it. The Kheema is ready. I will garnish it because they are sweet corns and I'm done with it. Thank you so much. So here I have served with garnishing a little bit of coriander, and I will show you how it tastes. Everything is cooked and it's tasty. Perfect. Hope you will all enjoy with pav or rice or pulao, plain pulao, or maybe rice or Goan bread. It will be yum. If you can see, my potatoes were boiled now. So it is all cooked. Everything is cooked properly. And it's just yum. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support too. Thank you.